In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily update your Gmail profile picture with an animated GIF. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your email interactions or simply express your personality in a more dynamic way, using a GIF as your profile picture can be both fun and eye-catching. Let's kick things off by creating or obtaining an animated GIF. There are a few methods you can use depending on your preference and resources. One popular option is to use a GIF maker, such as Canva. With Canva, you have the ability to create animations from scratch, utilizing their vast array of images and text tools, and then export your creation directly as a GIF. If you're more interested in converting an existing image into a GIF, you can turn to online converters. Platforms like Capwing provide straightforward ways to animate your favorite static images into GIF format. It's worth noting that these tools are usually user-friendly and don't require extensive graphic design skills. Alternatively, if you're short on time, you might want to search for pre-existing animated GIFs online. Numerous websites and search engines host a plethora of GIFs, giving you an assortment of animations to choose from. After securing your ideal GIF, it's time to update your Gmail profile picture. Start by accessing your Google account settings. You can typically find these settings by clicking on your current profile picture within Gmail. Once you've clicked on it, you should see an option to manage your Google account. Go ahead and select that. Within your Google account settings, look for the section dedicated to personal information or profile pictures. This is where you can make adjustments to your profile image. Now, here's where the fun part begins. You'll want to upload your animated GIF. Look for an option like Upload from Computer to bring your carefully chosen GIF into the fold. Remember, some minor adjustments might be necessary to ensure that your GIF displays perfectly as your profile picture. Take a moment to crop or adjust the GIF as needed, ensuring it looks just right within the profile picture space. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, save your changes. Congratulations! You now have an animated GIF as your Gmail profile picture. This engaging update not only brings a spark of creativity to your email profile, but also makes your digital footprint a bit more personal. Enjoy watching your new animated profile come to life whenever you interact via email. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Now you can share a bit of movement and character every time you send an email, making each interaction just that little bit more vibrant and unique. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.